Hi, I'm Matt from Focus Hope. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your refurbished computer. So once you plug everything in and power it on, you're going to come up to this screen here. We're going to leave it at the defaults, which is United States, English, and US, and then click Next. We're going to type in a username. It can be anything you want, and then click Next. We're going to, if you want to type in a password, you can, but we're just going to skip that. Now here's where you put your product key in. When you got your computer, it came with two identical looking sheets of paper, but as you can see, I circled up on the top here where it says Windows Operating System. Look for that piece of paper and then type the entire product key in just like that. Once that's done, we're going to click Next. We need to accept the license terms, so let's click this little checkbox right here and then click Next. We're going to use recommended settings. That'll help protect your computer. We're going to leave the time zone Eastern, make sure the date and time are correct, and hit Next. Once the computer boots up to the desktop, we're going to go to the Start menu. Then we're going to right click where it says Computer, and then click Properties. Now let's scroll down here to the bottom. Now it says 3 days until automatic activation, activate Windows now. We're going to click that, but I just want to show you right below that it says change product key. So if you forgot to put your product key in before or you typed it in wrong, you can change it right there. But let's click activate Windows now, and then click the button right there, activate Windows Online now. This process takes a few minutes. Once it's done, it'll say activation was successful, and we'll click close. Let's close out of this box here. Now it has the Microsoft Security Essentials Setup Wizard. We're going to click Next, click I accept, and then click the bottom box there. I do not want to join the program at this time, and then click Next. Click Yes, and then Finish. Now it's going to do an update. We can minimize it. It'll work in the background. And then we'll click this program installed correctly. Now let's go back to the Start menu here. Click All Programs. Click Microsoft Office. And then we're going to choose Microsoft Office Excel 2007. It takes a couple minutes, and then it's going to come up with the product key screen. Okay, here it says enter your product key. So we're going to look at the second sheet of paper, see where I circled Microsoft Office software. We're going to put the product key in for that sheet of paper. So start typing the product key. And notice how if you enter the wrong key, it sometimes tells you. So put the whole thing in there, and then click Continue. Right down there. Click Install Now. This takes a long time, but when it's done, we click Close, and then click OK for privacy options. And then we close out of the program, just like that. Now let's go back to the Start menu, back to All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office Excel. We're going to click Next because we want to activate the software over the internet. Once it's done activating, we can click Close, and then we'll click the little checkbox there. And we can take a look at the Security Essentials. It's still doing the update. Now it can take up to an hour for this update, so we're just going to leave it alone. At this point, we're done setting the computer up, so everything's ready to go. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and have a great day.